Hey guys, Nick here from Nick's Gaming Studio, and we're just going to get right to the point today. So we're going to see if a ping pong ball actually floats to the power of a blow dryer. So let's get started. So it works on low setting. Now we're gonna start it on low setting and then go to high setting. So that didn't work out. Let's try that again. So now we're gonna switch it to high. So it works like that. And so now I'm going to try it like this. See if it floats, if it's on like that. So it does work, and there's two ways to do it. So one way is just like have it started in the air, and then the other way is to put it on there and then start it. Oh my god. Yeah, it's probably easier just to do it in the air. So it works, and you have to make sure your blow dryer is straight up and down. So now I'm going to try to do it on high, and then alright, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. The button's down below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, or comment. Bye.